Yo, what is up everybody? Good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can transfer Dogecoin into your crypto.com. So it's pretty simple to transfer Dogecoin into your crypto.com. First, what you want to do is you want to copy the wallet address of your crypto.com. Alright, so how you guys can do that is basically you want to go to crypto.com, log in into your account and copy the wallet address of your Dogecoin. Now remember, when you're copying the wallet address, you want to copy the wallet address of the crypto you want to send. So right now we want to send Dogecoin, so you want to copy the wallet address of Dogecoin when you go on crypto.com. Do not copy the wallet address of Bitcoin when you're trying to send Dogecoin, because it's going to be sent to the wrong person and your Dogecoin is basically going to be lost. So just keep that in mind. Copy the wallet address of your Dogecoin in crypto.com. After you do that, you want to come to Binance.com and log in into your account. Now after you come to Binance.com and log in into your account, before moving forward from over here, I want you guys to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance, then you guys can use our referral link in the description to get up to $10 bonus for signing up into Binance. And for crypto.com as well, there's a referral link. If you guys want to sign up into that as well, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus. And let's get into the video. Once you're in Binance, after you copy the wallet address of your crypto.com of Dogecoin, then basically you want to go on wallet, you want to go on overview. After you go on overview, you want to go on the withdraw section over here. Once you go on withdraw section, basically what you want to do is you want to choose Dogecoin from over here. So by default, it's going to be on Bitcoin. So you want to go on Dogecoin. So I'm going to search for Dogecoin. So the short form of Dogecoin is Doge, and click on it. After it's over here, basically you want to paste the wallet address which you copied. If you paste the wallet address like this, you want to choose the network. It automatically chooses the network, but let's say it doesn't automatically choose it. You can just choose the network yourself. After choosing the network, you want to enter the amount of Dogecoin you want to transfer to your crypto.com. Then you want to click on withdraw and it will be transferred to your crypto.com if the wallet address you entered over here is correct. Now remember, just do not type a mistake wallet address. It's going to be sent to the wrong person. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can transfer crypto from Binance into crypto.com, or in another word, how you guys can transfer Dogecoin from Binance into crypto.com. Hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. And if you guys want to sign up into Binance and crypto.com, you guys can use our referral link to get up to $10 bonus. And I will see you guys in a new video. Bye bye until then.